The 2027 Slate truck is an upcoming minimalist electric pickup from Slate Auto, a Michigan-based startup partially funded by Jeff Bezos. Set to debut in late 2026, the truck aims to offer an affordable, customizable alternative to larger, more complex electric vehicles. Design features: the Slate truck adopts a utilitarian approach. Exterior, unpainted gray polypropylene body with vinyl wraps for customization. Interior, basic setup featuring manual window cranks, a small driver display, and physical climate controls. Technology: no infotainment system, users rely on their smartphones for navigation and entertainment. Specifications: powertrain, single rear-mounted motor delivering 201 horsepower, battery options, 52.7 kilowatt-hours for an estimated 150 miles of range. 84.3 kilowatt-hours for up to 240 miles, payload capacity, approximately 1,430 pounds. Towing capacity, up to 1,000 pounds, dimensions, 175 inches in length, 71 inches in width, and 69 inches in height. Charging, supports AC charging at 11 kilowatts and DC fast charging at 120 kilowatts. Interior, comfort and cargo, launching as a standard cab for 2 passengers, Slate says there are 34 cubic feet of space for cargo behind the seats. The frunk offers 7 cubic feet, and the small bed has 37 cubes. Power locks and cruise control are included as standard. Customization versatility: Slate Auto offers a range of accessories, including kits to convert the truck into a 5-seat SUV. This modular approach allows owners to tailor the vehicle to their specific needs, whether for personal or professional use. Final thoughts: the 2027 Slate truck stands out in the EV market by prioritizing simplicity, affordability, and customization. While it may lack some of the high-tech features found in other electric vehicles, its straightforward design and practical capabilities make it an appealing choice for budget-conscious consumers and those seeking a more hands-on approach to vehicle ownership.